Imagine waking up in the morning, the sun filtering through your curtains, and instead of the usual dread of a 9-to-5 job, you feel a sense of freedom. You check your phone, and there it is, a notification that your bank account has grown overnight, and you didn't have to sell a single product. In 2024, the landscape of earning money online has transformed, and the possibilities are not just exciting, they are accessible to anyone willing to take the leap into innovative strategies that don't revolve around traditional sales. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that just selling someone else's products? But here's the twist. What if I told you that you can promote products without the hard sell? You don't need to push a product on friends or family, nor do you have to create a flashy sales page. Instead, think of it as sharing something you genuinely love with your audience. You can write a blog post about a book that changed your life or a course that taught you a valuable skill. When you include affiliate links, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You're not selling, you're recommending. And the beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be entirely passive. Once you create that blog post or video, it can continue to generate income for you long after the initial effort. Imagine writing 10 blog posts or creating a handful of YouTube videos that resonate with your audience. Each piece of content serves as a gateway for people to discover products they might love, and you earn money while you sleep. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality that countless people are living right now. Now, let's dive into passive income streams. You've heard the term before, but what does it really mean? Passive income is money that comes in without you having to actively work for it all the time. Think about digital products, ebooks, online courses, printables. Once you create them, they can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort. You put in the work up front, and then you reap the rewards. Consider creating an online course. What knowledge do you have that others would find valuable? Perhaps you're an expert in gardening, photography, or even financial planning. You can package your expertise into a course and host it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once your course is live, it can attract students from around the world, generating income for you with each enrollment. The key here is that you're not selling anything directly. You're sharing your knowledge and skills, and people are more than willing to pay for that. Let's not overlook the power of digital assets. In 2024, owning digital assets is like having a piece of real estate in the online world. Think about it. Websites, blogs, even social media accounts can be monetized in ways that don't require you to sell anything. You can create a niche blog about a topic you're passionate about, build an audience, and then monetize through advertisements or sponsorships. Brands are always looking for ways to reach potential customers, and if you have a platform, you can partner with them to promote their products without the pressure of a hard sell. And while we're on the subject of digital assets, let's talk about creating content. Whether it's through blogging, podcasting, or vlogging, content creation can be a powerful way to earn money online without making direct sales. You can build a loyal audience who trusts your opinions and insights. Once you establish that trust, you can introduce them to products or services that align with their interests. Again, it's not about selling. It's about sharing valuable information that enhances their lives. Now, I can hear the skeptics in the back of my mind. But how do I even start? The first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy talking about? Once you've pinpointed your niche, start creating content around it. Don't worry about being perfect. Just start. The more you create, the more you'll learn about what resonates with your audience. Next, focus on building your audience. Use social media platforms to share your content, engage with your followers, and connect with like-minded individuals. The more you engage, the more visibility you'll gain. And remember, it's not about the numbers, it's about building a community. Quality over quantity, always. As you begin to grow your audience, explore different monetization strategies. You can offer exclusive content for a subscription fee, partner with brands for sponsored content, or even create your own digital products. The options are endless, and the beauty of this approach is that you're not relying on sales alone. You're diversifying your income streams, which is crucial for financial stability. Let's take a moment to discuss the importance of mindset. Shifting from the traditional idea of earning through sales to embracing these innovative strategies requires a change in perspective. You need to view yourself as a creator, not just a salesperson. You're providing value, sharing knowledge, and building connections. This mindset shift can be liberating. It allows you to focus on what you love rather than what you think you have to sell. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But as you invest in your online ventures, you will start to see the fruits of your labor. You'll experience those moments of joy when you realize that your content is resonating with others and that they're willing to support you. In conclusion, earning money online with zero sales in 2024 is not just a possibility, it's a reality that anyone can achieve. By leveraging affiliate marketing, creating passive income streams, and building digital assets, you can carve out your financial future without the stress of traditional sales methods. It's about sharing, connecting, and creating value. So, are you ready to take that leap? Embrace the journey, and who knows? You might just find yourself waking up to those notifications of income, all while doing what you love. The world of online income is waiting for you. Are you ready to dive in?